Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can share QR code in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, go to Home and click on the gear icon on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it and you can see the Easy Transfer QR code option. Go ahead and tap on this and you can see that you can easily share this QR code. All you need to do is click on screenshot and you can screenshot your QR code. As you can see, it doesn't allow for the screenshot, so there is another way. You can go to your profile and you can see the QR code. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that this is your QR code. Make sure to keep it safe and not to share it with everyone. But if you want to share it, you can click on save and the QR code will be saved as well. And you can copy the link, paste the link, and you can see the share icon. If you want to share this QR code individually using other messenger apps, you can do that as well. So if you want to regenerate this code, you can click on regenerate, click confirm, and the new QR code will be regenerated as well. And in case you want to scan QR code which others saw you, you can do that as well. All you need to do is click on scan QR code and open your camera, scan the code, and then you can be friends with other people. I hope this video about how you can share your QR code in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.